World History Quiz. Who was the first emperor of a unified China? Qin Shi Huang. What event is commonly considered the start of World War I? The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The Rosetta Stone helped scholars to decode which ancient script? Hieroglyphics. Which empire was ruled by Suleiman the Magnificent? Ottoman Empire. What was the main purpose of the Berlin Conference, 1884-85? To divide Africa among European powers. Who led the non-violent resistance movement against British colonial rule in India? Mahatma Gandhi. The Cold War was primarily a conflict between which two countries? USA and Soviet Union. What civilization built Machu Picchu? Inca. Which document signed in 1215 limited the power of the English king? Magna Carta. What caused the fall of the Western Roman Empire in 476 AD? Invasion by Germanic tribes. How many you got it right? Comment them down below.